Hi, my name's Verdon and I'm from O'Brien Real Estate Mornington. I'd like to welcome you and introduce you to 38 to 40 Verdon Street, Dromana. Located 400 metres away from the beach, this beautiful property on 1,510 square metres of land will surely impress those looking for their ideal holiday home or permanent residence. Thank you for viewing the property. If you'd like to view the property privately, please feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to take you through.